So here we have a Ford Fiesta EcoBoost Titanium on a 17 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We'll start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the back of the car that we've got reversing sensors and plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now before I hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But now that I've done a full circle of the car, you can see not only is it in fantastic condition, but really great colour as well. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. Obviously, as you may expect on a 17 plate, it is in fantastic condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, on the right hand side the speedometer, and then the fuel gauge in the middle at the bottom. Above that we have a trip computer, which includes the total miles on this car, which are 7,516. If you push the button on the end of the indicator stalk, you can change the information that's displayed up there to various different pieces of trip computer info, all the way back round to the beginning again. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we've got cruise control, and on the left hand side we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So if you push that button in the middle and ask it to dial someone in your contacts list, it will do that for you without you needing to do anything else with your phone or with the unit itself. Speaking of the main unit, this is where you pair your phone. So everything's displayed up here. This car's got, as you can see, FM radio as well as AM and DAB digital as well. And you've got two channels, if you like, per frequency, so you can save a lot of presets. On top of that, you can listen to music via Bluetooth audio, via the USB plug-in, or the CD player on this car. So if we move out here, you'll see the CD player at the top of that area, and some of the options or things I just mentioned down the left hand side here. So we can select to listen to the CD. Pressing that multiple times will take you through the different bands, so FM, AM and DAB digital radio. Auxiliary, will select the auxiliary socket, and then phone, to pair your phone to make and receive phone calls, and then stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth as well. Beneath that we've got the climate control. So fan speed is controlled on this dial, and then temperature on the opposite side. Once you've got that temperature, or you want to keep it to that temperature, you can either hit air conditioning or hit auto. If I hit auto, it will maintain 19 degrees for me, and you may hear it's just turned the fan speed up. To override that, just adjust the fan speed yourself. You've also got a heated front screen on this car. Beneath that we've got a couple of things. This turns on the front parking sensors for this car. The rear ones come on when you put it in reverse. The front ones will come on when you push that button, or when you have just reversed prior to them wanting to go forwards. This button will turn off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. If you wish not to use that, push that button and it will turn it off. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, the 12-volt charging socket, and the USB input that I mentioned a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to give any of our MJA sites a call. We look forward to hearing from you soon.